Hello everyone, this is Rhonda of Virtu Works for You Creative, and this is the last video in my bubble maps series. What are they and what are they used for? In the first video, I explained what bubble maps are and what they are used for. In the second video, I showed you how to quickly create a bubble map inside Canva using a professional template. I use this template here, which was about dog breeds and the extending bubbles, naming different types of dog breeds. And so I took that template and switched out my colors and created a social media for business bubble map in which I listed social media platforms in each bubble and feature social media features that are used for business marketing and growth. And so you are looking at my completed bubble map. As you can see here, I'm going to hide that, and so you can take a good, even better look at it. So this is the social media for business bubble map that I created. So that is my finished product, and this concludes my brief series on what are bubble maps and what they're used for, the tutorial, and the finished product. That is what this brief series on bubble maps entails. So if you love this video, and I am going to put the playlist for each video in this series under each video in this series, so you can watch them in order. And if you like this video and other videos in this series, please thumbs it up, share it out. And if you love the content on this channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell symbol for alerts. Thanks for watching, and see you all and talk to you all next time.